This review is of the Great Spirits Baking Company Guinness Chocolate Stout non-alcoholic cake made with the delicious taste of Guinness beer. It's ready to eat, parv, so in that respect it's safe for Jews and Muslims. And that's pretty much it other than this blurb, I believe. We'll double check. Made with the finest ingredients. Everybody says that. All right, so serving suggestion. Wow. Gosh, that's so hard. Oh, wait, there's something else. Contains bioengineered food ingredients. 0.5% alcohol by volume. All right, nutrition facts. 300 calories per slice, which is 80 grams. And there are about 3.5 slices. Why didn't they just slice it so that it could be an even number of servings or an odd number, not an oddball number? Okay, 14 grams of fat, of which 3 are saturated, and no trans fats, 45 milligrams of cholesterol, because this is not vegan, it's only vegetarian. It does have eggs in it, and there's probably also milk in here. And 340 milligrams of sodium, which is excessively large. 39 grams of carbs, of which 1 is dietary fiber and 26 are added sugars. 4 grams of protein. Here are the ingredients. So we see there are some vitamins that have been added and minerals. The eggs contribute to cholesterol. Cocoa processed with alkali means that the chocolate that has been used has been destroyed by alkali, and so the polyphenols are absent, so don't expect this to be of any health benefit to you. It's got whey from the milk. Let's see, is there all kinds of stuff in here, and some of it is like big words. It does have wheat gluten in it. Interesting. Lots of sodium. Lots of sodium. So eggs, milk, soy, and wheat. Well, let's go ahead and give it a shot, shall we? All right, so it comes in this nice looking paper container. And there you go. Let's give it a try. Oh, okay. It has an interesting smell. It's kind of pleasant, actually. Very moist. There is some bitterness. Fortunately, it does not taste like Guinness beer or beer. And it almost kind of reminds me of the flavor of banana just a little bit. And you're probably thinking, Glenn, you're crazy, but there's just that hint of flavor that is similar to banana to confuse the tongue or the brain, really. So, actually, I'm unfortunately, this has got eggs and milk in it, but or at least whey, which is not quite as bad as the curds, but I'm surprised by how much I enjoy it. Yeah, I'll give it an 8. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.